Okay, this tutorial is on how to view your contributions on Family Search. So this is just kind of fun. It shows you what you have accomplished. So you'll go to the Family Tree tab and click it to the drop down menu and go all the way down to My Contributions. Then, first off, it's showing my changes. So these are things that I've done recently, adding sources or, changing information, and over is on the date on the right side. Then stats. This is my favorite one because I see numbers. So 2022, I did a lot because I started using the app on my phone in my spare time instead of, playing video games or, scrolling social media. I found it fun to just attach sources and merge duplicates and things like that on my phone. And I highly recommend that. So this is all the work that I've done, pretty much. Sources, like I said, I attached a whole bunch in 2022. Um, this just means that I attached, censuses or um, death records or birth records, all kinds of records that I attached to people. And then memories. This is just me writing up something about a relative, uploading a photo of a relative. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. And then people, this is like people I have actually created, which means I'm a mother. No, just kidding. It means that I have found 299 people in my history, so in about 10 years, I've added about 300 people. That is just from records and searching and doing the hints, the record hints on your phone or on the computer. You know, you don't have to do research. You're just taking hints that are already there. Click, click, clickety, click, and people will appear. So it's pretty awesome. So anyway, that's how you view your contributions.